solution for ticking sound in RF MX5. So first we have to remove these rivets, this one and the entire rivets for this box, and I will get back to you. Also this rivet, so that we need to remove the entire carpet. I removed this rivet and this one, the plastic fasteners, and we have to remove this and these two. So once these are removed, you can just move this carpeting. So you will see a plastic white box, like plug kind of thing. I guess it's for Sirius XM, or yeah, looks like it's for Sirius XM antenna. So this one, so once you locate this, try this a little and put a foam piece behind that little plastic nub here, and also this one. So we have like two foam pieces, little pieces. You can actually remove the entire thing with a pick tool if you want, but I just wanted to like test it. So once this is done, uh, just button up everything, and you should that should resolve the ticking noise from RF when the top is up.